Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of custom ROMs with a comprehensive review of CR Droid 10.6 based on Android 14, specifically for the OnePlus 6T. If you're looking for a stable, feature-rich, and highly customizable ROM, this one might just be for you, so let's get started. While there's nothing to physically unbox, let's talk about the initial setup process. CR Droid 10.6 comes pre-rooted, which can be both a blessing and a curse. We'll discuss the implications of this later. The initial setup is pretty standard, and the ROM boots up quickly. First impressions. The UI is clean, modern, and feels very Android 14-like. It's smooth, responsive, and there's no noticeable lag. Now, let's dive into the meat of this review. The features. CR Droid 10.6 is packed with customization options. Let's start with the device extras settings. You can tweak things like alert slider behavior, GPU boost, and display settings. Alert slider, you can customize how the alert slider works, choosing between silent, vibrate, and full volume. GPU Adreno boost, this option lets you overclock the GPU for better gaming performance. Display, you can enable high brightness mode and automatic high brightness mode for improved visibility. Status bar, customize icons, clock style, network traffic monitor, and more. Quick settings, adjust layout, style, animations, and even add custom tiles. Lock screen, customize clock font, weather information, and fingerprint animations. Navigation bar, choose between different layouts, animations, and gestures. Miscellaneous, game space with FPS unlock, unlimited Google photo storage, Netflix spoofing, and more. It's clear that CR Droid 10.6 is a ROM for power users who love to tweak and customize their devices. Battery life is always a crucial factor. I've been getting around 5 to 5.5 hours of screen-on time with this ROM. That's pretty decent considering the age of the OnePlus 6T. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on usage patterns. But overall, I'm satisfied with the battery performance. This ROM doesn't pass SafetyNet with root, it passes without root by default, which can be an issue for some users. While there are workarounds, it's something to keep in mind. Also, the Play Store isn't certified, which means you might encounter some issues with certain apps. Let's talk performance. I've run Geekbench on this ROM, and it scored a respectable 483 in single-core and 1869 in multi-core. These are solid numbers for a device like the OnePlus 6T. In real-world usage, the ROM feels snappy and handles multitasking with ease. As for stability, I've been using this ROM for 1 week now and I haven't encountered any major bugs or crashes. It's definitely a stable daily driver. So, is CR Droid 10.6 the right ROM for you? If you're looking for a stable, feature-rich, and highly customizable ROM for your OnePlus 6T, it's definitely worth considering. Ultimately, the decision is yours. I encourage you to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.